Is it possible to set a password for a shared folder in Google Drive?
Hello, viewers. In today's tech tutorial, we're going to talk about a common question that many Google Drive users have. Is it possible to set a password for a shared folder in Google Drive? Let's dive into this topic and explore the different ways to manage access to your shared folders.
Can you set a password for a shared folder in Google Drive?
Let's cut right to the chase. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Google Drive does not offer the native functionality to password protect shared folders or files. Instead, access to shared folders or files in Google Drive is managed through the sharing settings, where you can add individual Google accounts or create a shareable link.
How can you secure your shared folders?
While Google Drive does not offer direct password protection, there are ways to increase the security of your shared folders. Specify the people you want to share the folder with by their email addresses, instead of creating a shareable link. This will ensure only the people you trust will have access. Set permissions for the shared folder. You can decide if the people you share with can view, comment, or edit the files in the shared folder. Disable link sharing if you want to revoke access to your folder, and only share it with specific people.
Are there any workarounds?
If you're really determined to password protect your Google Drive files, there's a workaround, though it's a bit cumbersome. You can 1. Compress the files or folders into a zip file. 2. Use a program like WinRAR or 7-Zip to add a password to your zip file. 3. Upload the password-protected zip file to Google Drive. Note: the downside is that users will have to download the zip file and know the password to access the contents. In conclusion, while Google Drive does not offer a native password protection feature for shared folders or files, there are still ways to manage and increase the security of your shared content. Remember, it's always crucial to be vigilant when it comes to sharing sensitive information online. Secure your data, secure your peace of mind. I hope this video has been helpful, and thanks for watching.